Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna calibrate the suspension, the ESA suspension on this beautiful bike here we have. Okay, and what you need is the your phone, the MOTOSCAN app, the connection, the OBD. Okay, a battery maintainer, because you know, when you use the MOTOSCAN or you do any kind of work on with the app, is using a lot of battery power. All right, and if you haven't watched the video with the grips repair, if you want to repair them or just learn how to do it, watch them. There are 3 of them, really good ones. I still don't have the rubber. I'm waiting the rubber for it to come the next couple of days to put it on. All right, let's see how beautiful the day is. And it's another beautiful day after Christmas. Let me show you the olive trees. Probably a lot of you haven't seen olive trees from that close. Look at that, it has olives on. Is that beautiful or what? Okay, we eat our own olives. All right, let's start it. Okay, let's connect the MOTOSCAN. Ignition is off. Okay, remember that. I'm in the OBD, but we actually connect the MOTOSCAN. Yeah. Okay, there's an arrow here and the arrow here, so you don't have to like searching. That's it. We lock this in place. Checking the power. You see, it's already activated. So let's move this over here for now. Right here is good. Let's keep this here, and let's turn on the ignition. All right, and then we turn on the app. All right, let's get started. Okay, central chassis electronics, service functions, ESA rear. It's not gonna give it to me again. It's communicated with the adapter. Let's go to copy. Okay, service reset is communicating. It's ready. Live data 275. Okay, go back, go to central chassis electronics, service functions. Let's see if we're gonna get this. No. Okay, will not give me that. This I did before. Okay, it's working. That's it. It went to the top. It goes, looks like it's going all the way up and all the way down, so it will calibrate. we don't want to interfere with this operation. Let me see here. Successful. Okay, so it did the rear. Now let's see if we're gonna do the front. Okay, front. A little bit light here, and it looks like it's working. I can hear it. Yep. It's working. You can see slowly it goes up and down on the way. It did it. Okay, we calibrate front and rear, but let's see here. Was successful. So let me go back. Again, let's see if this is connected. Alright, hold on a second. Let me put the GoPro down. Alright, let's put it this way this time. Sorry about that. Okay, so basically what happened here is I lost connection with the OBD. Alright. So I reset the Bluetooth connection at least 2 times. I close the app. I clean up my phone with the security software and everything. I remove the OBD from the bike, all right, twice. I click the connection, the Bluetooth connection again, and I reconnected with that. And then I give a little bit more time, like I didn't press fast, you know what I'm saying? So I tested when to copy, I tested and everything. But it did calibrate it before, but it was not on video. So I couldn't show it to you. Okay, so slowly, then I went to copy and I saw it communicating with the bike. Let's check it out. Our bike. Let's go to copy. You see? When you see this little yellow thing here, it works. Let's go to actuator control example. Alright, self-test. On. Yep, works. Let's see here. Alright. So, I don't know, it was like a little bit weird, but we did, sorry, the compressor won't stay. Alright, so we'll go off on the test control and everything. So basically what happened is, you know, we did calibrate them, but we just lost connection a couple of times with the OBD. And I did run the engine so I can see if it was necessary, because I couldn't get any instructions how to do it. It was necessary to keep running the engine, so I don't recommend running the engine to do calibrate the suspension. You don't have to run the engine, and basically you just put the battery maintainer. I'm gonna put it again because I have it off for running the engine. Okay, and we did calibrate front and rear. Amazing. Well, the dealer does this for free for me, but you know, I'm working on the bike, so that saves me a trip to the dealer. And you gotta do the calibration often. You go off-road and stuff. I think it's a good idea to calibrate at least twice or 3 times a year. Calibrate it, because the spring life, it will extend, the bike will perform the way it's performing, okay, and it's just good for you. It's just good for your bike, and you really want to have the top performance. So if the rear goes off a little bit, you won't know. But not supposed to be, you're not supposed to be using a bike with a spring loading on or everything, okay? And then when you go to that, I'm gonna show you. Let me get I'm not gonna start the bike with the OBD on, so I'm gonna turn off the ignition. Let me show you here. Let me close this for 1 second. Okay, I'm starting the bike. Alright, and let's see where we are. We're on single and normal, so I'm gonna put it on 2 up, sport. Let's go. This is hard, I don't want that. Sport, I will leave it on sport, but I'm gonna go 1 up, 2 up. Okay, wait. That's it. I'm showing you the rear because the front one is a little bit difficult, but that works too. So when the indication is gone, it's done. All right, let's put it back on single. Okay, from here it's sport, dual, hard, we don't want hard, we don't want off-road, single and sport. This is what I like it. So wait for it to finish. Now you keep. Okay, it's done. Now remember, you gotta have the bike running to do this operation, okay? You can put it off-road, you can put it on single with luggage, or on just a single, and on sport or normal or soft. But you can put it on 2. If you put it on 2, if you see 2 helmets, this is supposed to be 2 up with luggage. But if you want to adjust the dubbing, just that's the front one. Let me show you. The dubbing is the front one. Let's see that. You see that? If you want to adjust just that, you don't have to run the bike. Okay? This is on comfy now, normal, and sport. I'll just leave it on sport. You don't have to run the bike just to adjust that, the dubbing, okay? But when you adjust the loading, you have to keep the bike running. All right, so I think this video will cover, the section that a lot of people need, how to adjust and calibrate your suspension. And I'm very happy I did it. Again, you don't have to run the bike to do that with the OBD and the MOTOSCAN. And I will definitely recommend, if you get this stuff here, don't start it with the OBD on. All right, I don't know, I have a bad feeling about that, so I just take it off and just start the bike. All right, thanks. Thank you guys for watching another great video. It's a day after Christmas here. Let's all have a great new year, and look how beautiful this is. Well, I prefer a little bit snow, but I wouldn't mind that. We're gonna go hiking now. We're gonna go up the mountain. We're gonna take our German Shepherd dog with us. Okay, how beautiful today is. Like, it's gotta be around 16, 17, 18, I don't know. All right, don't forget to put a like. Likes keeps me going, and share. And you can also become a buddy of ours with Patreon, and you can see our secret videos in there, all right? And you can actually, we can help you with discounts and stuff and information about this beautiful country if you want to visit. All right, see you guys later. Thank you.